In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand tasks in Wrike. When you're working in Wrike, tasks often start out collapsed so you can see more items on your screen at once. That's helpful for a quick overview, but whenever you need to see the full details of a specific task, you will want to expand it. Expanding a task lets you view things like the full description, comments, attachments, and subtasks all in one place without constantly switching to a new view or window. Let's walk through exactly how to do that. The first way is by using the small arrow next to the task. In most Wrike views, such as the list view or board view, each task will appear as a row or a card. Look closely to the left side of the task name. You should see a small arrow or caret icon. When the arrow is pointing to the side, that usually means the task is collapsed. To expand the task, simply move your mouse over that arrow and click it once. As soon as you click, the task will open up and reveal more information beneath or beside it, depending on your current layout. You'll now be able to see any subtasks that belong to that task, along with extra details that were hidden before. If you want to collapse it again later, just click the same arrow once more and it will fold back up, keeping your workspace tidy. Now, there's a second way to expand a task, and this one uses the three-dot menu. This is especially useful if you prefer using menus or if the arrow is hard to see in a crowded view. Find the task you want to expand and look for the three vertical or horizontal dots, usually located on the right side of the task row or card. This is sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those three dots to open the menu. A list of options will appear, and among them you should see one labeled Expand. Go ahead and click Expand. Once you do, Wrike will open that task into an expanded view, just like with the arrow method. You'll be able to scroll through the full description, check comments, review attachments, and manage any subtasks directly from this expanded area. So, to recap in simple terms, you can expand a task in Wrike either by clicking the small arrow next to the task name or by opening the three-dot menu and selecting Expand. Use whichever method feels more comfortable and fits the way you like to navigate your projects.